Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about a powerful tool that can help you save on healthcare costs, lower your taxes, and even prepare for retirement, the Health Savings Account or HSA. If you're looking for ways to make the most of your HSA in 2025, you've come to the right place. What is an HSA? An HSA, or Health Savings Account, is a tax-advantaged account that helps individuals save money for medical expenses. To qualify for an HSA, you must be enrolled in a high-deductible health plan, HDHP, which typically has lower premiums and higher deductibles. These plans allow you to contribute pre-tax dollars to an HSA, which can be used for a wide range of eligible medical expenses. One of the major benefits of an HSA is its tax advantages. Contributions made to the account are tax deductible, meaning they reduce your taxable income for the year, helping you pay less in taxes. Furthermore, any interest or investment growth within the account is also tax-free, making it a powerful tool for building savings over time. Additionally, withdrawals for qualified medical expenses are tax-free, allowing you to use your funds for health costs without incurring additional taxes. After the age of 65, you can use the funds for non-medical expenses without facing penalties, though you will pay income tax on those withdrawals. This gives HSAs the added benefit of serving as a potential long-term savings vehicle for retirement and beyond. Eligibility for an HSA. To be eligible for a health savings account HSA, you need to be enrolled in a high deductible health plan HDHP. An HDHP is a health insurance plan with a higher deductible and lower premiums compared to standard plans. For 2025, the deductible must be at least $1,600 for individual coverage or $3,200 for family coverage. In addition to being enrolled in an HDHP, you cannot have any other health coverage that is not an HDHP unless it is a specific type of coverage like dental or vision insurance. You also cannot be enrolled in Medicare, as once you begin Medicare, you are no longer eligible to contribute to an HSA. However, you can still use the funds in your HSA for medical expenses. Lastly, you cannot be claimed as a dependent on someone else's tax return. If you meet these conditions and are covered under an HDHP, you can open and contribute to an HSA. This makes the HSA a powerful tool for saving on healthcare costs and building a financial safety net for the future. How to optimize your HSA. Optimizing your health savings account, HSA, can make a significant difference in both your immediate healthcare costs and your long-term financial goals. Here are some effective ways to make the most of your HSA. First, maximize your contributions each year. Since HSA contributions are tax deductible, the more you contribute, the more you can reduce your taxable income, which helps you save on taxes. For 2025, you can contribute $3,850 for individual coverage or $7,750 for family coverage, with an additional $1,000 catch-up contribution if you're 55 or older. If possible, aim to contribute the maximum amount each year. Second, consider investing your HSA funds. Many HSA providers allow you to invest the money in stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. Instead of just saving the money in cash, investing it allows your funds to grow tax-free over time. This is especially beneficial if you don't need to access your HSA funds immediately and can leave the money to compound, turning your HSA into a valuable long-term savings vehicle. Third, use your HSA as a retirement tool. After the age of 65, you can use the funds for non-medical expenses without penalties, though you'll pay regular income tax. This makes the HSA an excellent supplement to retirement savings, alongside traditional retirement accounts like 401ks and IRAs. Lastly, save receipts for future medical expenses. Even if you don't use your HSA funds immediately, you can keep receipts for qualified expenses and reimburse yourself later, allowing your account to grow even further while still using the money for healthcare costs when needed. Eligible expenses. Eligible expenses for a health savings account, HSA, are defined by the IRS and must relate to medical care, treatment, or prevention to qualify for tax-free withdrawals. Understanding these eligible expenses is key to using your HSA effectively and making the most of its tax advantages. HSA funds can be used for a wide range of healthcare costs, including doctor visits, specialist consultations, and urgent care. If you need prescriptions, HSA money can be used to cover the cost of prescription medications, including insulin and other necessary treatments prescribed by a healthcare provider. Dental care is another area where you can use your HSA funds, covering routine exams, cleanings, fillings, crowns, braces, and even certain surgeries. Vision care, including eye exams, prescription glasses, contact lenses, and corrective surgeries like LASIK, is also eligible as long as it's deemed medically necessary. In addition to standard medical and dental services, hospital expenses are covered as well. This includes inpatient care, surgeries, outpatient procedures, and medical equipment such as wheelchairs, crutches, or bandages. If you require physical therapy, it's eligible as well, as long as it's prescribed for rehabilitation after an illness or injury. Other alternative treatments like chiropractic care and acupuncture are eligible too, especially when used for pain management or to treat specific health conditions. The CARES Act of 2020 also expanded eligible expenses to include over-the-counter medications such as pain relievers, cold medicine, and allergy treatments without requiring a prescription. This has made it easier to access common medical supplies through your HSA. However, not all health-related expenses are covered. Cosmetic procedures, gym memberships, and non-prescription vitamins or supplements are not eligible for HSA payments. To avoid penalties or misuse, always check with your HSA provider or refer to IRS guidelines to ensure an expense qualifies before using your HSA funds. By being aware of eligible expenses, you can maximize the benefits of your HSA for both current healthcare needs and future financial security. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you understand how to make the most of your HSA. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more personal finance tips. See you in the next video.